guys, welcome to this video. This video is going to change your whole future. Might be, because I am going to introduce you with a very important course, which is IoT plus robotics. Oh my god, this is a big deal, right? Because IoT matters lonely, because IoT का कहीं ना कहीं अलग उसका यूज है, कहीं ना कहीं अलग उसकी इम्पोर्टेंस है, और रोबोटिक्स इज अ वेरी बिग थिंग गाइस. उसकी कहीं और उसकी थोड़ी सी नीड है, कहीं और उसका प्लेस है. बट IoT एंड रोबोट्स आर कनेक्टेड. डू यू ऑल्सो थिंक सो? आई टू. बिकॉज you just, what do you have to do? What is IoT? Actually, let me tell you a little bit. IoT is something which reduces your tasks. You don't, if you're sleeping and you're a very lazy type of person, you don't want to switch off the lights or switch on the lights, you can just say, okay Google, Alexa, switch on the light or switch off the light, and they'll perform you the task. Let me tell you, Alexa and Google are bots, and what task they are performing is IoT. So these are interlinked together. So in this course, we'll learn how to control your LEDs, small LEDs, actuators with your fingertips, and we'll also learn how to use basic robots, or how to build basic robots, which are actually cars, autonomous cars. I'll tell you how to make line follower, then I'll tell you how to make a obstacle avoiding robot, a basic robotic car actually. So this is going to be crazy. Actually, total 3 types of cars I'll be telling you about, and I'll also tell you that how you can also just like fans and LEDs with your fingertips. And guys, this course is at a very nominal price. This is available for just 699 rupees, guys. Hurry up, just click, pay, register and schedule your classes, so you will be confined, you'll be satisfied with your classes. And PDFs are also available for this course, guys. You just have to enroll in this course and just grab all the opportunities which you can with this course. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, and you have to enroll it.